Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can install APK on Android. So first, you will need to launch your device's settings. Here enter the apps category or apps and notifications. This category can be called differently on different devices. Then on the list of all installed applications, look for whatever web browser or search engine you'd like to install the APK through. So in my case it's going to be Google Chrome, so that's what I am looking for. Here it is. Now open this app. Next, open what permissions are available to the app in question, and here somewhere you'll need to grant it with install unknown apps permission. So let's go into all permissions section instead and look for it right over here. So on my particular device, I am yet to actually find this access for some reason. So let me just go ahead and so as you can see, actually on some devices this access will be not hidden in the permission section but rather in the app info. So look for the install unknown apps permission or install external apps from this source and then simply allow it. And now, well, Google Chrome in my particular case and whatever web browser you went with in yours will be able to install APK files. You can also circumvent this step and just go for the APK file installation directly, since when you will install the APK file for the first time, the app is going to ask you to, well, grant it with this permission anyways. So let's just go with Edge APK file, try to get it installed real quick, for example from here. Let's get the file downloaded. So here, simple APK file, what I'm looking for. So let's give it, well, 30 seconds. Well, let's give this file pretty much 30 seconds to get installed. So I'll get back to you. So as you can see, the APK file has been almost downloaded, so now we gotta wait a few more seconds. Now just tap on it, wait until the app is staged, and as I've mentioned previously, you'll get this dialog window which will ask you to, well, grant your web browser with the same install unknown apps permission. So do that, and then as you can see, the APK file will get to install on itself. Now once again, let's allow some time for it to be actually installed properly, and once it is, we can, well, launch the app and use it no problem. And well, that's how you generally install APK files on an Android phone. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.